Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Dying Light the Beast game crashing, not launching, not loading, lagging or other issues on Xbox. So let's go through it. The first method is to restart the game. So first select your game from home screen. Now press menu button on controller, then select quit option. Finally restart your game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to clear persistent storage. So this will help you to clear the cached data. For that, open settings, then choose device and connections, then Blu-ray, then select persistent storage, then select clear persistent storage. After this, check if the problem is resolved or not. If not, next is to check internet connection. So for that, open Xbox menu, select settings. Now choose network settings. After that, test network connection. Now wait for some time to complete and then check if everything is working fine. Next is to perform a power cycle. So for that, press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. Next, plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. Next is to check for Dying Light the Beast game update. You should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve the performance. So make sure you check if there is any update available, and once the game is updated, now check if the problem is resolved. Clear cache of Dying Light the Beast game. So for that, press Xbox guide. Now click on My Games and Apps, then click on See All option. Here search for Dying Light the Beast, then press menu, then select Manage Game and Add-ons, then tap on Save Data, then click on Reserved Space and finally tap on Clear Reserved Space. After this, check if the problem is fixed. If not, next solution is to remove and re-add account. For that, first press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on Settings under Profile and System. Next, go to Account, then Remove Accounts. Here select the account to remove, then select Remove option. After that, add the account again and then check if the problem is fixed. If not, next is to check for Xbox updates. Make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. First, open Settings on your Xbox, then select System and then select Updates. Here check if any update is available and then click on it to begin the updating process. Next method is to check storage space. So for that, press Xbox button, then go to Profile and System, then Settings, then System and then select Storage option. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused apps or games to create space and then check if the problem is fixed. If not, next method is to reinstall Dying Light the Beast game. For that, press Xbox button controller, then move to My Games and Apps, select See All option. Here select Dying Light the Beast game, press menu button, then select uninstall. After the game is removed, open the Dying Light the Beast official website and download the game and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, final solution is to contact support. So when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do, or else they will resolve it from their end. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.